This is a great move to do when you're standing up before your chest day. Right when you get up, it's get into your pecs. Now, all you're doing is you're just standing up, grabbing on the handles, and then we're going different directions along this front part of our chest. We're starting from the center and we're working our way across towards the shoulder. Then we're going from the bottom up to the shoulder, from the inside up to the shoulder. And then we're doing from the top coming down. And so we're working all these different positions, which can really help free a lot of issues in this shoulder if this whole front side is tight. If I've been doing a lot of pec stuff, or if I've been sleeping a ton and I'm sleeping on my side and my shoulders are here, I'm not being more open when I sleep or sleeping on my back, then this whole area will be much tighter. When we drive, we're gonna be much tighter in this area. When we type, we're turned in. When we're looking down, gravity pulling us down, we're much tighter here. We're not gonna really feel the sensation. We're gonna feel the pain in our shoulders, in our neck, all in this area, because this area is potentially causing the issue because of how much muscle and gravity play into that factor as well. So when you wake up, getting into this area can be super beneficial. And then also, before you go to bed, get into this area so then you're not more prone to be in this position and you're more prone to be in a more open position because now you're not tight. When you're tight, you get uncomfortable being in this position, so you're gonna roll over and be here. This feels more comfortable for you. If you have more of an open chest, then you can be able to be in the more of this open position and then not have any issues when you wake up. So make sure you're starting in the middle and going in different directions. Let us know how that feels. I love it. A lot of athletes love it, and I know you'll love it.